Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we're going to be installing some turn signal stock covers on my Tesla Model Y. I love the carbon fiber look. I got all kinds of carbon fiber accents around my Model Y. So today we're going to accessorize the actual stalks of my drive lever over here and my turn signal over here. Let's get into it. So I want to show you guys what we're actually going to be installing today. I got these turn signal covers from Tessery. And as I said, I really like that carbon fiber look. So these are just that dry, matte carbon fiber look. They're just really simple turn signal covers and my actual driver's side cover as well. So you can see on the back, it's a nice, genuine carbon fiber material. They're extremely light, and it's that nice matte carbon fiber that I like. These also come in a glossy carbon fiber, a red gloss carbon fiber, if you want to go with that red look, as well as that forged carbon fiber look. I'll put some pictures up on the screen as I was talking about those. But as you can see, there's no adhesive, there's nothing really else. It's just a really nice, just kind of stick-on, clip-on kind of product. So it's going to be one of the easiest things that we'll actually install. So pretty excited to get into it. Let's look at that one. I like the very clear P reverse neutral drive, and then your, what's called cruise control, and then you park. Perfect on that side. And then on this side, it has your headlights, your windshield wipers, and your actual turn signal stock over on the left side. So very simple product. You can see how well they're made. Extremely light, but I love that dry carbon fiber, that matte carbon fiber look. So let's go ahead and head up and install them. So I know the lighting's pretty bad because it's overcast and dark outside, but I'll do the best I can. These are my original turn signal stocks on my Tesla 2022 Model Y. So you can see they're kind of worn out. You can kind of see where I typically put my fingers on. It's kind of worn out. It's a little bit faded kind of right on that area. Looking over at the driver's side, you can definitely see a little bit more of that fading and kind of peeling plastic. So that's kind of why I wanted to do these covers. Plus, I really like the carbon fiber accessories, right? I got carbon fiber on my steering wheel, carbon fiber on my dash cover. I just like that dry carbon fiber, the matte look. So we're gonna go ahead and snap these on and see what they look like as we cover them. So it's hard to get the perfect angle of this with the steering wheel in the way, but I'm just going to take the actual cover here for my left side of my car, and we're just going to kind of press it on and see how it kind of clips on and over. There it goes. And it's a perfect fit. It kind of aligned itself right there. Really nice kind of perfect, attachment point. It's really sturdy. It's not moving anywhere. And then I get all my decals and symbols, and it's that really nice carbon fiber that matches my other accessories. It looks really cool. Let me do the other side for you, and then we'll go in for a close-up. You can see all the fit and finish. Over here on the driver's side, we'll bring this in. It has very much the same decals as the original Tesla one, just gives it that nice carbon fiber cover. And it's going to cover up some of that wear and tear that you can see. This one's starting to peel just a little bit. So let's go ahead and snap this one on. There we go. You heard the kind of satisfying click. It just kind of guides itself in, and it's super sturdy, right? I can jack around all of this. It's not going anywhere. Even with no adhesive on the back, I really like how it just kind of clips all the way around it. Let me take the camera off the tripod and I'll show you guys how it looks. So starting from underneath, it's a really nice secure fit all the way around. There's just a little bit tiny of a lip that's just kind of holding it on. But as you move up, there's no space between the actual parking button or anything else. And it looks great. We'll come over to this side of the steering wheel, see if I can get you a good shot there. It looks awesome. I really like how it looks. I love how it feels. It just has that, just a tiny bit of a grippy texture kind of all the way around it, but it's a really nice feel. Over here on this side, my wheels turned a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. But just a really nice texture all the way around. You get all your great symbols in perfect alignment, right? There's nothing really kind of crazy going on. This isn't distracting or, uncomfortable at all. So it's just a really nice overall product. And again, I love how it looks. I'll zoom out, kind of show you my other carbon fiber accessories. If that's what you like for your car, this one's kind of a no-brainer. I really like it. So this is probably going to go down in history as one of the quickest videos ever about a Tesla mod, but it's a really impactful one. I love the look of this carbon fiber. As I've mentioned, I have it all over my car. These were incredibly easy to install. No adhesive, no sticky 3M tape, just a really nice secure fit on your turn signal stock and in your driver's stock over here, your shifting stock too. I know many of the newer Model Ys don't have this shifting stock. So if you have a legacy Model Y, of which there are millions out there, and you want to do this kind of mod, make sure to check these out on tessery.com. That's where I got these. If you use the link down in the description, it'll help you save 5% right off the top. I think these are about 50 bucks, which I think is a pretty good deal, 25 for each stock. So if you're into that and you want to customize your Tesla a little bit, that using my discount code brings these down to about 45 bucks for you. So saves you about $5 there. Tessery is a really good website. They have all of these other carbon fiber accessories if you want to check them out there. I'll put a link to the actual turn signal covers in the description, but make sure you check out Tessery's website for all the rest of your carbon fiber needs or how you want to accessorize your Tesla. Also, check out my Amazon storefront down in the description there. Lots of cool stuff that I review on Amazon. Electric rideables for kids, Tesla camping stuff, other stuff for my Tesla. So check that out. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys for coming back for another video. I know this was a super quick one, but I appreciate all of your time and just being here with me. So feel free to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.